I better start taking the oil filter off of it. Yeah?
The what?
The oil filter. Or just wait until we have the engine together.
No, you can take it off really. Tell them what you're doing, Valente. Tell them what's going on with this.
So I changed these bolts out because the old intake, there's the old intake right
That
there.
one right there.
That's what these came with. So we changed it out for the new intake because if you put the new intake with these, you're gonna break the bottom part. So you wanna show them, and they come with the new intake already.
So the valley cover,
Yep,
right? You got,
right here, these bolts.
yeah, those bolts are screws or whatever you want to call them, machine screws or whatnot, but they basically come with hex bolts, which are a little bit taller. So if you put the aftermarket intake,
The bottom part will break when
this
you
one right here,
tie it down.
you got a chance of breaking or cracking the plastic. You see there's a little recess, that's where they sit. So they send you the bolts that you need, so you don't do that. So you just take the old bolts out or whatnot. If you didn't buy the kit and you got an aftermarket intake, that's one of the things you gotta do. At least they have to be panhead bolts or screws or whatnot. So they have to be a little bit shorter than the stock ones.
They're hard on there, huh?
Is there another one? No, no, no.
Yeah, I guess so.
This one's really gotta pull kind of inside. Es que no se puede agarrar muy bien. No shit, there's still a few in there. Alright, so now what we're doing is basically taking the stock fuel rail off, stock injectors. We're putting it back on this fast LSXRT 102 intake manifold. They do provide the injector O-rings that you gotta use. They're a little bit thicker, so they actually sit snug inside, so we gotta swap those over. And also the top injector O-rings, we're gonna be using those again. And that's about it. We've got some mounting brackets we gotta figure out that they include. They got short ones and tall ones, so we gotta figure out which ones we need. And other than that, we're gonna get ready to install the intake manifold back on the truck. We already got the heads torqued down, we got the plate cover torqued down. All we gotta do is bolt everything up and wire it up, and we're just waiting on some headers,
Yeah, headers and the board exhaust.
and the Borla exhaust. And that's about it. Is it where it needs to be, or it still needs to go back?
Dame un tornillo.
Because I see an issue right now, I think.
What?
You see that black stopper back there behind the cylinder head?
Yeah.
It's already touching the manifold, no?
No. No.
Okay. Because you know we're going to have to take that off.
No.
That one had a little notch in the back. So what do you need?
Un tornillo to check.
This is aquí.
I just want to check que esté donde tiene que estar. Yeah.
We're good? All right. Okay. You can stick your hand back there. You can plug it on. We got how many plugs back there? One.
One.
We got to cover, right?
Yeah, right here.
All right. So all these are intake bolts?
Yeah. Does it come with washer?
Yeah, they got it. Estos también?
Not yet. Let's do the big ones first.
Estos son de van.
I'll find out right now.
Yes.
Oh no, I think it's for the.
Oh, they're giving the bolts for that too?
Yeah.
Well, they probably should the other one does too, no?
Yeah.
Okay, so we don't need that. We don't need that. Why are these all thick? One, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. $11, $12.
¿Eran 12?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you got another one, it's 10. Maybe they just gave us extra washers. They're thick. So, going through all this, if you didn't work, how long do you think it would have took you? I'm not saying that you know what you know now, like the first time around.
If I didn't work, if I don't have a job.
If you didn't have a job and you did this and it was the first time you did it, this is our first time doing one of these trucks, right? So if you didn't have a job, how many hours did you do together and all this?
It would take us like 3 days max, bro. But 8 hours, like.
Well, if we weren't waiting for anything, then you
Yeah.
know, all the parts, all the mishaps, this and that, probably a good 3 days max.
Yeah.
Max.
Max. That's how long it would take us. But if we were, if
This is all with all the modifications you
Yeah.
have to do. You
Yeah.
know, dropping the oil pan, not taking any shortcuts, doing it the right way.
yeah, and
about
us,
3 days.
us not knowing if we like now that we know, it's gonna be faster.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna snug them up a little bit so I can.
Yeah. Remember, work your way from the center up to the outsides.
Ya, no, no los voy a apretar ahorita, nomás quiero que se agarren.
Y no me grites.
Ya dijo, viejón. I'm too short, bro. I can't do this.
I gotta make that way. I'm pretty sure that thing will fucking sell, dude.
It would. Yeah, dude, because short people like me need them.
Because even tall people like me, man.
Struggle. The struggle's real, bro.
Yeah. Yeah.
I kind of like how this intake looks, bro.
Looks cleaner, man.
Yeah. Foot.
That explains a lot of things in high school for me. High school,
Is
man.
the check out what do we have to truck them down to?
Do 10 pounds first. So snug them all down.
Pásamela.
Con el dedito.
Pásamela.
¿Qué buscas?
The torque wrench.
I wouldn't even use a torque wrench, bro.
¿Con la mano?
Yeah, because you could do 20 easy with your hand. Unless you've never done it before. You might crack the plastic.
I tend to use.
So what I like to do, you grab your wrench, put your finger here, and go like this. As soon as your finger starts going like that, you got more than 10 foot-pounds easily.
Like this.
Yep. As soon as your finger starts flexing. You feeling getting tight?
Yeah.
We'll move on to the other one.
Pues ahí tienes el papel.
Yeah, I forgot about this paper here. Gives you all the... All right, pop the hood.
Murder was a case misdemeanor.
Go.
Hi guys, welcome back to Green Eye Labs Garage. This is Carlos, that's Valente, and it's here, man. It's finally here, the last day. Finally got the truck done. He's gonna give you a little explanation about it, basically what we ended up doing at the end.
So we did the fast 102 millimeter intake. We did the SMB cold air intake. We did the Texas Speedlight long tube headers. We also did the Borla exhaust. We did the stage 2 high lifts, Texas Speedlab cam.
Along with the valve springs, no throttle body because it wasn't available for this truck at the moment. And
We did the BVT delete, the AFM delete, and we went and got a tune with Kaizen speed.
yeah, we got a tune at Kaizen speed. I believe the numbers were 350 horse to the wheel and about 400 foot-pounds of torque. And that's it for this project, man. The owner of the truck also later down the road said we're gonna do a Pro Charger. Not sure what brand yet, but that's probably gonna be maybe in a couple months, maybe early next year. And we got a couple other projects that we're working on. It's been a slow process, you know, due to work and family and whatnot, but please give us a subscribe, hit that like button, and share it, man, and stay tuned for more projects. And I hope you like it. And yeah, anything else you want to add?
Oh, we stay tuned for more stuff. We're gonna do more stuff next year.